G, add 5. Make it, shake it. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, okay, take that off. Back on. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. Okay, plant those 2, then these 2, and strum. 2, 3, 4, and strum. 4, strum. 4, and strum. 2, 3, 4, strum. 2, 3, 4, and strum. Now this time, try to leave these 2 on here and strum. Now just wiggle these 2 fingers and strum. Good. These stay planted and strum. These 2 fingers stay planted and strum. These 2 stay planted and strum. 2, 3, 4, and strum. 2, 3, 4, and strum. Good. Wiggle them. 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, strum. 2, 3, 4, and strum. 2, 3. There are your anchors. Good. 3, 4, and strum. 2. You have these 2 planted, they stay, and strum. 2, 3, 4, and strum. Good. Excellent.